Okay. Big है.
तो अपन ने अभी कौन सा कट किया?
This is called the worka chakka. This is traditional. This is actually planted by my father or grandfather.
ओके.
So I don't have any credit, just trying to maintain it. This year, after a long time, I actually dug around this place. They said we have to dig it, but okay, I never dug it. See, this actually is bad. It's not supposed to. We're not supposed to allow the jackfruit to come low. We're supposed to cut it.
Yeah.
Lekin I just left it here, so it has come. So actually, we have to leave it there.
Oh, yeah.
There is one also on the top, but it is so high. We thought we'll take it with a ladder, but we will need some experts there.
This one is very big.
Correct. Actually, I wanted to take that, लेकिन कैसा करेगा? We cannot. Ladder लगाएगा तो भी ना.
Yeah.
मुश्किल है. वो टोटे रख के कापेगा तो भी नीचे अपने को मैट्रेस.
बड़ा सीढ़ी लगेगा
हाँ,
उसके लिए.
बड़ा सीढ़ी लगेगा. टोटे रख के निकलेगा इधर नीचे मैट्रेस डालना पड़ेगा. वैसे ही करता है. Actually, the professionals, right? Those who, the merchant, they who come, right, to harvest these jackfruits, they also come like that. They don't go all the way to the fruit. The reason I got impatient was, right, there is another jackfruit which went bad. उधर है ना, उधर डाला हम लोग.
किधर?
That one actually came after or along these. Actually, first came the bigger one. And
This
then,
one.
And then the ones in the lower, and then the third one is this bunch. But this one I don't think it is maturing. Not. So the thing is, the merchants they don't come for one fruit or two fruits, right? So so anyway we have to cut it. So I got impatient because that one fell. So now I don't know whether because of the rains or because of the digging, right? See, we have a lot of elephant yam this year.
Where?
लंबा खड़ा है ना?
Okay, okay.
We have a lot of elephant yam coming here. And this one, out of frustration, I put red spinach. See, here also elephant yam. This may not come, but anyway. See, out of frustration, I put red spinach. This has come, so I'm very happy about it.
Where?
This one, red spinach. Red kira. So then I put this banana.
This is banana.
Banana. And of course, this is not red banana. This is rastali. Because on the day when I went there, right, that red banana.
कौन सा banana?
Huh?
रस्ताली.
Rastali. So हमारा कमी का है. So this is coconut. This is the one which I mentioned, right? I planted it in the April month itself.
Oh.
This and that one. So this is another banana. This, see, I actually brought this stump. I planted this stump. This has gone. In fact, but this one has come by itself. Right? So I am very happy about that because I was about to destroy it, dig and destroy kind of thing. This one is actually betel nut, arka nut. It's not coming. I don't know why. See here, right? I actually took some of the ginger pods from the store which had sprouted. So instead of eating it, cutting and cooking it, right? I planted it here. Hopefully, God willing, it will come. And this one clove, I had planted clove, but I don't know because of cutting that coconut tree there, right? This one is gone. This one here, this one is gone.
What is this?
Clove. क्या होगा? लवंग.
अच्छा.
लवंग. This is long pepper.
Where?
This entire bush is long pepper.
Long pepper.
हाँ, ये त्रिपोली बोलता है हमारा कमल में.
क्या बोलते हैं?
त्रिपोली. ये भी long pepper ही है. This I planted out of frustration to avoid